Okay, so first we will make one slip knot, tighten up, and then chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chain, and then yarn over twice. 1, 2. So 2 time yarn over on your hook, and then skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chain skip on the 5th one, on the last over here. Last chain, insert your hook, then pull the yarn like this, and then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over again, pull through 2, then yarn over again, pull through 2. Now I have this ring kind of, and now I will work in this one. Just yarn over and insert your hook in this center on the ring, and now yarn over, pull the yarn like this one time, then again yarn over on your hook, then insert your hook again, pull the yarn, then again yarn over. So 6 time I will do. 2 time done, 3 time, then again yarn over, insert your hook, pull 4 time, then yarn over, 5 time, then again yarn over, pull the, just like we make puff stitch. So 6 time, then yarn over now, pull through all, just last, leave like last one, pull through like this, everything, and then yarn over, now pull through 2 of them. That's it, and then close with 1 chain. Done. And then I will again yarn over twice, 1, 2, 2 time, and then insert your hook in this one again, where we did already here. If you see on the same stitch, the last one, insert your hook, pull the yarn, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over again, pull through 2, then yarn over again, pull through 2. Now you should have your work something like this. If you guys can see, yeah. And then just turn a little bit like this, and then 1 chain, just 1 chain, and then yarn over again. And now I will work in this. If you see here, we have space, insert your hook, pull the yarn, and pull through 3 of them, pull through 3. So I will make here 8 time double half crochet, half double crochet, like yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through 3. So 2 time, then yarn over again, insert your hook, pull the yarn. So 3 time, again, 4 time, 6, 7, 8 time. Now you should have your work like this, and you can just keep this back side. You can hide this tail later on, or you can see 8 time, and then yarn over again. Now I will work in this side, which we have here 5 chain. So same, I will make 8 time double half crochet this side as well. From here, just insert just like this, and then pull through all again. So this is second, 2, so total 8 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have our, this you can cut or hide later. Here we have this work now, and then after 8 double half crochet, make 5 chain again. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 chain, then yarn over twice. 1 2. 2 time yarn over on your hook, and then here if you see this center one, you should have one chain here, very center one on the top of your puff stitch. Insert your hook, then pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through. Now I have here same what we have before in the starting, this one same I will do. Yarn over once and then pull through. So 6 time I will do this. 3 4 5 6. 6 time, and then pull through all, just leave last one left. Here, then I have now 2, and then pull through 2 of them. That's it, and then close with 1 chain here. Now again yarn over twice, so triple crochet, yarn over twice. Then now I will insert my hook here. Before we did in the center one, now just next to this you should have here 1 chain like this, then pull through 2, then pull through 2, pull through 2. Now we have, this is our work. Now again 1 chain, and then yarn over once and make here 8 time again double half crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 8 time done. And then if you see this space over here, very first one, yarn over. So I will make, insert your hook like this, little bit you have to turn maybe, and make here as well double half crochet. So 1 time, you can make 1 time as well, but I'm going to make 1 more time. So 2 time, 2 time double half crochet, and here then jump into the next space here, this side, up another side, yarn over, insert your hook like this, and then make again here as well 2 time. 1 2. Done. If you see, this is done. And now I will work this side, other side. Just turn a little bit and then insert your hook here, make 8 time 8 double half crochets on the same space. 1, this is 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now you guys can see your work. This is the work right now, and we will now just keep repeating exactly what we did here. So 8 double half crochet, then 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5, and then yarn over twice, insert your hook in the very center. On the top we have chain here, pull through 2, pull through 2 like this, then yarn over 6 time. 1 2 3 4 5 6, then pull through all, just last one we have to leave. Now I have here 2, pull through 2, then close with 1 chain. That's it. Then yarn over twice, and now if you see we have here 1 chain, just insert here and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, now this is the work right now we have. And again I will do 1 chain, then yarn over, make 8 times double half crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 done. And then I will work here in this one, 2 times double half crochets, 1, 2 done. Then I will work in this next one here, this one. So 2 times again double half crochet, 2 double half crochet, done. Now turn little bit and then work in this other side. Yarn over, now 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now you will see your work here. This is the work right now. Okay. Here. Now just keep going on, repeat your pattern. Same. I'll show you once again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the center one, just make like this, and then 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close of all, then 2 last, close with, then twice yarn over, and here in very first chain here, remember we have here 1 chain, so just this one, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's it. Now we have, this is the work right now. And then make 8 times 1 chain, and then 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 times here in this side, 1, 2, and then next one here as well, no, this side, 1, 2, and then other side 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just keep going on like this. You can make as long as you want to make.